Unlock professional-grade live streams using your Canon Eos 250d and a laptop, transforming your content with superior visual clarity. First, power on your Canon Eos 250d and ensure its battery is adequately charged for uninterrupted streaming. Locate the Mini-HDMI port on the side of your camera. It's a small, rectangular port and carefully insert one end of your Mini-HDMI to HDMI cable. Next, take the standard HDMI end of the cable and connect it to an available HDMI input on your video capture card. This card acts as a crucial bridge between your camera and your laptop. Now, connect your video capture card to your laptop using its USB cable. Ensure it's plugged into a high-speed USB port for optimal performance. Once connected, open your preferred live streaming software on your laptop, such as OBS Studio, Streamlabs OBS, or a similar application. Within your streaming software, add a new source and select video capture device from the options. This tells the software to look for your camera's input. From the drop-down menu that appears, select your capture card. You should see your Canon Eos 250d's feed now displayed in the software's preview window. On your Eos 250d, make sure you are in live view or movie recording mode to ensure the HDMI output is active and consistently sending a signal. Finally, adjust your camera's exposure, focus, and white balance settings directly on the camera to achieve the desired look for your live stream, and you're ready to go live with professional quality.